Once the symbols on the board started glowing, the girls got curious and they ended up getting magic powers. Jules, Amber, Caroline, and Ivy will remember this night forever because this is when the 4 elements awoke inside them. It looked like a normal dream at first, but then magic signs appeared on each one. That's how Caroline became Earth, Amber became Water, Ivy Fire, and Jules Air. The elements woke up, but the girls didn't. Ow. You want to keep napping, right? The next morning, they were all discussing their new powers when a mysterious stranger came into the room. He lost something important, the 4 elements under his control. But the new owners decided not to tell him about what happened. And he left as mysteriously as he arrived, to keep looking for his lost elements. It doesn't matter if you're a master of an element, you still have to take tests. The strict teacher is making sure nobody cheats. And if he notices any notes, forget about getting a good grade. Aha! Seeing things, are you? The sheet is blank, but is it really? Ivy's up to something. She uses her fire powers to make the invisible ink turn visible. That's so sneaky, Ivy! Now you'll definitely get a good grade. Talking in class again? Go to the board! Mr. Zach chose Caroline this time. Don't forget your flower. Let's see how you handle this problem. It'll be hard without chalk, but Caroline knows how to fix this. Her friend gave her some soil, and Caroline turned it into chalk. Wow! It's magic! Even cranky Mr. Zach is amazed. Nice work, Caroline! You deserve an A! Jack is crazy about Ivy, and he decides to talk to her. This is awkward. Or hot. Jack, did your love burn you? Jules, give me your hand. Use a cool breeze to calm the burn. Jack, you fell in love so easily. Now Ivy's upset. She looks like a volcano about to erupt. Caroline likes going for walks and looking at nature. But her walks are even more magical now. Because flowers follow her. The possibilities are endless. Caroline is starting a business. Nobody can resist her magical blooms. That's imaginative, gotta say. Caroline found a way to make money from her powers and turn this gray world green. Who doesn't love art class? Well, Ivy's not so great at it, and the teacher isn't impressed by her work. Maybe she needs to try harder. Oh, the volcano is erupting again. No wonder Ivy got the fire element. She blows up easily. But wait a second. We need to take a closer look at this masterpiece. Wow! It's incredible!
Wow!
Ivy, your anchor created a very expressive artwork. This is amazing! You're a great artist after all.
Yeah.
Jules found a way to profit off her abilities too. With her powers, inflating balloons is so easy. And it's not time-consuming at all. Plus, there are always people who want to buy balloons. Making money is as easy as breathing for Jules. Amber doesn't look confident. There's an ocean of emotions inside her. And she didn't finish her homework. Uh-oh, the ocean is breaking free! There's going to be a flood! Caroline, you won't let go! know, right? Ivy won't give up. She's going to win Jack's heart. But Jules isn't happy about that. Ivy decides to send Jack a message through the air. That's reckless. Interception! After a little fight, there's nothing but ash left. Mr. Zack still can't get used to all this magic. Today, we're studying aerodynamics. Jules is probably going to be the best at this because the topic is related to her element. But she's daydreaming. Well, do you have an answer? The poor thing clearly doesn't know the theory. Jules, maybe you can show us in practice? Let's see what you can do. A windmill? Great idea! This is a perfect example of what we've been talking about. Even the teacher learned something. Amber decided to treat her classmates to some lemonade, and lots of people want some. The demand is huge, and almost all the lemonade is gone in seconds. But is that a problem for the water element? She easily refills the pitcher, which means she can keep selling. Amber, you didn't only add water, right? The customer isn't happy. It doesn't taste like lemonade at all. What? Your business is going to have to close, unless your friends help you. Nobody can resist a drink like this. It's amazing! There's strength in numbers, and money too! Great work, team! Let's see how much the girls know about the atmosphere. Amber, come to the boards! You definitely know about the water cycle. Inspired by Jules, huh? Nice demonstration, Amber! The teacher will never forget this presentation. Mini rain right in the middle of class. Can you imagine? Thanks. You definitely get an A. For never was a story of more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo. At least, Amber thinks so. And when the water element cries, it starts raining. Amber, calm down. It's just fiction. You're about to flood the whole city. Caroline is hearing voices. Are they imaginary or real? Oh, it's her friend in the flower pot. His stories are way more interesting than whatever else is going on. Who knew plants were so creative? But to Ivy and everyone else, Caroline looks totally crazy. Hey, don't make Earth mad! Hear her roar! Getting the power of the 4 elements is nice, but the owner came back to claim them. It's time to go back to normal life. Ruling over the 4 elements is hard work, and it's way better when they're in the right hands. The girls had so much fun anyway. Tell us which element you like the most, and which element would you like to be? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new video from Troom Troom Trick.